Hello everyone. So take a yellow color paper, fold it like this as shown in the video. Now fold it from the sides. Now press it and open it inside. Make few more as such and fix all of them one by one as shown in the video. Now after that you have to put them together like this. Now keep fixing it as we are fixing here and then put them one by one as shown here. Now after fixing all of them together, we'll be putting them inside like this and press it inwards and your ninja star is ready. Next we'll be making this moon and a rabbit. So for that we'll be taking a yellow color paper like this and then fold it like this from both the sides. Now after that we'll be taking another piece of paper and fold it like this. Now open it and again fold it inwards like this. Now after that you have to fold it from the between. Now press it like this and open it. After making the creases we'll be folding it like this. Now after that we'll be press it again. Now after that fold it inwards little bit as shown in the video and make a rabbit over it and it's done. Next we'll be making this toy. So for that we'll be needing orange color paper and then we'll be folding it inwards like this. Press it and then again we have to take orange color paper, press it like this and then spread it little bit by pulling it and it will give a 3D look to it and it's ready. Next take a paper and fold it like this from the between. First draw the lines over it or make the creases and then make a square shape. Now again fold it from all the sides. Turn the paper and again fold it like this and press it. Now you have to open it like this by pressing it and make the flower like shapes or petals like shape and then on the back open the paper like this outwards and your flower stand is ready. Next, we'll be taking the grasses like this as shown in the video and then after that tie them all together with the help of a thread. Now spread it and keep tying it in these small sections like this. Now fix a stick on the top of it and your broom will be ready. Now cut it from the downside to give it an equal look and it's done. Next we'll be taking a purple color paper and fold it like this and then open it and make the lines on it and then press it inside. Now after pressing it we'll be opening it again from the top and then you have to fold it like this. Now after that fold it like this and make the wings of the butterfly and it's done. I hope you liked it. Now you can decorate it as per your choice. You can make some patterns on their wings and look, it's done. Next we'll be taking a transparent glove and then we'll be pasting these eyes on the each fingers of it. So make these eyes and then cut them out and then make it over the paper cup like this and make a hole on it. Fix the straw like this and it's done. Next we'll be taking this clay and make a ball. Make few more as such like this. Now you can join them together one by one as shown in the video as making a flower. So here we are making a football and then roll them like this and it's done. Next we'll be making this toy. So take a paper, fold it like this and then you have to press it from the between. Make the creases on them and then make a triangle. Now fold it upward like this and from the sides. Fold it from the other side as well in the same manner. Press it like this and then you have to spread it and your toy is ready. Next take a boiled egg like this and cut it from the sides. Now we have to cut it little bit from the front and the back and now with the cut piece we have taken we'll be making the ears and the tail of the rabbit. Make its eyes, nose and mouth and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.